It is time to pick a couple of winners in the loose leaf string bound journal drawing. The winners are each going to get a string bound journal made by me, along with over 3 pounds worth of goodies from my stash. These are some prototype journals that didn't quite work out, plus just some other things that needed to go to a new home. You can keep them, you can pass them along to someone else. I don't mind that at all. We had 120 entries, which was great. And this was kind of a quiet giveaway drawing. I didn't really announce it or promote it. You had to watch the video to even know that it was happening. So I kind of snuck it in there. I really like doing that. I'm going to do that some more. So you never know when there's going to be a drawing. You might have to, pick your way through the video and to find out. So I promised 2 winners. I have 2 boxes ready to ship this week. And the first one goes to Lisa Crenshaw. Okay, Lisa, you will be the first winner. And you can either get a hold of me, send me a private message, or I will email you at the address you provided on Rafflecopter. Either way, we'll get together and I'll get your address. And the second winner is, where'd you go? There we go. Susan Hufford. Okay. Congratulations to Lisa and to Susan. I will be getting in touch with y'all shortly. And like I said, your boxes are ready to go. I can get them to you this week, probably Tuesday. So congratulations, and a huge thank you to everybody for taking the time to watch the video and enter the drawing. I appreciate you very, very much. Alrighty, the end.